Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Osama and you are welcome to Osama Web Studio website review series. Today we are going to review a website which is a driving school courses website where you can create a website for your driving school and feature your courses, share about pricing, your different courses, pricing, testimonials and other details. Let's have a look at our driving school website right now. I hope you guys can see my screen right now. So here is the driving school website template for WordPress and Elementor combination. This is an Elementor kit where you can just simply install on your website, and it consists of different colors. You can change these colors to your brand color, whatever your school name is, and simply you can share your phone number and email and social media links at the top. And this template could have like different pages: home, about, courses, single course page and all courses page, and different pages like which process, pricing, testimonial, FAQs, team, blog, single post and error page, and also the contact page, and a contact us button and search bar here where you can just simply search or anything. In the very beginning, they have like a beautiful header, simply white color, and then now on the header image they are just not doing traditional stuff, something like really different. They have a heading and a discovery course, and then they want you to get started and contact them. And you can also do the same for your visitors if you like this. And then they have a video and a header and a thumbnail image placed here to introduce their website. I hope this will be a placeholder video from Elementor, and we can close it now, and then keeping moving forward with the reasons why you guys need to choose them, like why your visitors need to choose you actually when you are offering a driving school course, because cheap prices, years of experience and expert tutors. Moving forward, you can share more about you guys, how many years you have been in business, your vision and your mission, and your business statement. And then on the next stack you can just share more about your courses, like what kind of courses your school does offer, like even it's a car courses, motorbike courses, truck courses and traffic sciences. And moving forward we have like another tab which says our process, simple steps to get your driving license, and then choose your course schedule and then get your license. Why you guys need to choose them, or why your visitors need to choose you can place a video here with a thumbnail here, and then share the reasons and make an impact on the visitor's mind that you guys are authentic, and you do have the experience and staff to teach them, to teach your students, right? So moving forward you guys can share about your pricing plans and how much you guys charge and how much your total course cost to any student who is coming to learn driving from you. And then you can share about your team and trainers like this, and share their name and social media profiles. Moving forward, you can share your testimonials, whatever you have from your earlier clients, or maybe you guys can place it in the future if you don't have it. So then this is a widget called latest blog, very nicely designed. You can see the corners, sharp edges on the upper right and lower left corner, and the upper left and lower right corner are just around it, and then you can share a contact form with the help of this Elementor kit, and a sign up to newsletter button, and a very beautiful footer where you guys can see the contact information for the school website, and then their other pages and support and all the other things. Let's go and review their other pages, how they look like. So this is going to be the about page of your website if you want to create online courses website for your driving school. This is a header and then a heading, back header image. Again, they are sharing their vision and mission statement, and then steps to get started, their team, and more of their achievements, and then the testimonials and frequently asked questions. And in last, they are doing the same thing for the contact and newsletter and other footer things. And then here is a courses page where they have listed all their courses, very beautifully designed, and nice colors of this website make it more attractive for the visitors. And the animations put another I would say interactive touch to the website. And this is how they have categorized their courses, with a background image and a widget over the images, which is just specifying the name and a little description and read more about the course. So if you have more courses than 6 courses, you can add them downwards and then share your pricing plans, and then testimonials and contact and subscribe to the newsletter and footer. And then we have a single course page. Like, let's see how it looks when somebody clicks on any single course and they want to have more details about the course. So let's say it's a car driving course. You can make a heading, share more details about the course, pricing, what it's included, and then the contact information included in the course guide, and then basic structure of the course, what will be included, what modules will be in the course. Moving forward, we have like different pages. You can explain the process of the whole course, and people can just visit your website, and before they get started with your course, they can just learn from your story, your vision, and what it takes to get to the next level with you guys, and share your latest stories from the blog as well. And then we have a pricing page, which specifically designed to share your pricing plans for your visitors. If they're interested in pricing, looking at your just pricing, you can just have it. And then a contact button, share testimonials, frequently asked questions, and newsletter and footer. And moving forward, testimonials page, where all of your testimonials will be placed. If someone want to look more and deeper in your testimonials, they can just come here and see the different designs of the testimonials this have, and contact and subscribe to newsletter. And then FAQs, again, people who want to learn more and they have like more questions, and like their most frequently asked questions, you guys can list them on your website like this and make it a wonderful experience for everybody. Then they have a team page here, which specifies all their team members and their images and their social media profiles, their names and whoever they are, and their skills, and blog page, widget, and then newsletter. Now they have a beautifully designed blog for their website, where they are sharing their experiences and stories and tips and tricks. People who want to subscribe to their newsletter can come here. And next we have the single blog post page for your driving school that you want to create online. And this is how the single post will look like: a heading, a little bit of text, and then about them, about you guys. Basically, I'm just saying them, and it's you who is watching this and who want to create their website for their online driving school, and hopefully it makes a sense. And moving forward, this is how they have placed their beautiful blog. People can leave a comment and subscribe to their newsletter. And then we have contact page here, which includes most of the contact informations that you want to provide to your students, like your physical address, your phone numbers, your emails, and then your map if somebody want to get directions, someone want to send you an email and get in touch with you, or maybe sign up to your newsletter. So guys, this was our wonderfully designed, beautiful online driving school courses website. If you are someone who is looking to create your own website, or maybe you have an older website now, you need to update it in the latest trends of 2022, you guys can definitely upgrade your website. Feel free to reach me in the inbox wherever you're watching this, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, or in YouTube. You can just comment down and we will contact you. This is Muhammad Osama once again from the Osama Web Studios, where we design beautiful websites for all of the different people, and specifically for the coaching industry. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we will chat. Thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe and follow our social media channels. See you on the next review of another beautifully designed website soon. Bye for now.